With self-serve order management, you can choose to let your buyers cancel, transfer, and resend their own orders. To do this, head to Box Office Settings from the top right menu. Select Self-Serve from the left-hand menu. Use the checkboxes to adjust how you want ticket buyers to manage their tickets. If your customer has bought a ticket from a recurring event, you can also let them reschedule their own ticket to another date or time. You can limit this based on days before the event and the value of the order. If you'd like, you can also permit customers to cancel their own order and either receive no refund, a full refund, or a refund to a voucher. You can set the terms of the voucher and also how close to the event they can make this change to their order. When you're done, make sure to click Save.